Day by day, technology are increasing and people alert by fancy and innovative gadgets. Those are very beneficial to us that they make our daily routine a lot easier. One of the technology that influence most is called WiMAX. So, what is WiMAX though? WiMAX, the Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access, is a family of wireless communication standards based on the IEEE 802.16, which provide multiple physical layer and media access control options. The IEEE 802.16 standards provides the air interface for WiMAX, but does not define the full end-to-end WiMAX network. The WiMAX Forums Network Working Group is responsible for developing the end-to-end network requirements, architecture, and protocols for WiMAX using IEEE 802.16 as the air interface.
A WiMAX system consists of two major parts. They are a WiMAX base station and a WiMAX receiver. A WiMAX base station consists of indoor electronics and a WiMAX tower similar in concept to a cell phone tower. A WiMAX base station can provide coverage to a very large area up to a radius of 6 miles. Any wireless device within the coverage area would be able to access the internet. Each base station provides wireless coverage over an area called a cell. A WiMAX receiver may have a separate antenna or could be a standalone box or a PCMCIA card sitting in your laptop or computer or any other device. This is also referred as Customer Premise Equipment or CPE. Backhaul refers both to the connection from the access point back to the base station and to the connection from the base station to the core network.
WiMAX is expected to offer initially up to about 40 megabit per second capacity per wireless channel for both fixed and portable applications, depending on the particular technical configuration chosen, enough to support hundreds of businesses with T1 speed connectivity and thousands of residents with DSL speed connectivity. It's also intended to provide broadband connectivity to mobile devices, not fast, for about 15 megabit per second capacity in a 3 km cells coverage area.
There are so many benefits of using this WiMAX technology. WiMAX can support very high bandwidth solutions where large spectrum deployments are desired using existing infrastructure. WiMAX can provide wide area coverage and quality of service capabilities for applications ranging. WiMAX, which is an IP-based wireless broadband technology, can be integrated into both wide area third generation or 3G mobile and wireless. WiMAX envisions for mobility-related usage scenarios. 1. Nomadic. The user is allowed to take a fixed subscriber station and reconnect from a different point of attachment. 2. Portable. Nomadic access is provided to a portable device, such as a PC card, with expectation of a best effort handover. 3. Simple mobility. The subscriber may move at speed up to 60 km per hour with brief interruptions, less than 1 second, during handoff. 4. Full mobility. Up to 120 km per hour mobility and seamless handoff, less than 15 milliseconds latency and under 1% packet loss is supported. WiMAX has the best feature of security functions. There are user authentication for better privacy, a flexible key management protocol, protection of control messages, and it also supports for fast handover. This WiMAX technology is often being compared with other wireless technology, such as Wi-Fi, but there are some advantages if you use WiMAX than Wi-Fi. First, Wi-Fi typically provides local network access for several tens of meters with the speed of up to 54 megabit per second. A single WiMAX antenna is expected to have a range up to 70 kilometers with the speed of up to 70 megabits per second or more. Second, WiMAX is designed to efficiently support from 1 to hundreds of consumer premises equipments or CPEs, with uninhibited subscribers behind each CPE. Third, Wi-Fi doesn't guarantee any QoS, but WiMAX will provide you several levels of QoS, such as WiMAX can bring the underlying internet connections needed to service local Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi doesn't provide ubiquitous broadband while WiMAX does.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. To see other video, you can go to the link below. Bye!